Are you a home improvement novice, an installer in another industry, or perhaps you've been thinking about learning a trade? Well, you're in luck. We at the Men with Tools are starting our Pupils with Tools program with the hopes of creating the next generation of elite window and door installers. Here are 5 reasons why you should consider joining our Pupils with Tools program today. 1, excellent starting pay. You'll be starting at $25 an hour. Number 2, career and personal training development. You'll be trained to install windows and doors using our 68-point installation process, allowing you to advance quickly. Number 3, benefits. Being a part of our team means access to medical, dental, vision, and 401k benefits. Number 4, culture. We're a family-focused company that is committed to creating a team environment that fosters cooperation and growth for individuals and the group as well. 5, full-time year-round work. We're a busy business that will provide you steady work, so you'll be learning quickly. We're looking forward to meeting enthusiastic recruits, having them trained our way, and seeing them go out into the field as experts. If any of these reasons sound appealing to you, then call or click the link below, over here, there, right now.